Bumuhos ang emosyon nang muling mahagka ng 17 tripulanteng Pinoy ang kanilang pamilya matapos silang palayain ng grupong Houthi at magbalik Pilipinas. Nakatutok si Jamie Santos.
In high spirits, dumating sa bansa kagabi ang 17 seafarer na dinukot sa Yemen noong November 2023 at pinalaya kamakailan. Mahigpit na mga yakap at halik ang isinalubong ng kanilang mga kaanak.
When the ceasefire happened in Gaza, immediately they talked to the Houthis, sent the plane to collect our seafarers. Immediately we booked them for this flight. So now we are happy that they are here.
This is a very important topic for our president. You will remember, in December 2023, he postponed or canceled his trip to the UAE for the COP because it was just weeks after this.
Tatanggap sila ng financial assistance, psychosocial intervention, scholarship at livelihood.
But the assistance won't end here, no? We also we will continue to provide the necessary assistance through our action fund, our humanitarian assistance as the days unfold.
Tiniyak din ng Department of Transportation na mare-renew ang kanilang mga seaman's book.
After makabalik sila, makasama nila yung kanilang pamilya at after having a good rest or vacation, ay pwede na silang bumalik ulit sa trabaho.
Mananatili muna sa Metro Manila ang mga seafarer para sa mga medical procedure bago ihatid ng libre sa kani-kanilang probinsya.
Some of them are symptomatic for some infections, not serious, but a lot of things can happen in 428 days. We don't even know if they had access to medical services while they were in captivity. Wala ho namang visibly in pain or anything.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Jamie Santos, nakatutok 24 oras.